हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़िबा कंडक्टेंस एंड कंडक्टिविटी। रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर is given by Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I. This is Ohm's law. Resistance of a conductor is the property of the conductor which reduces the flow of current. But here we discuss another quantity, that is conductance, which allow current through it. So resistance and conductance both are opposite. Resistance reduces the flow of current को सी अपोज करे फ्लो करने गोटे कंडक्टर रे, किंतु कंडक्टेंस करेंट को एलाउ करे कंडक्टर रे फ्लो करने। सो कंडक्टेंस दैट इज G, इट इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस G इक्वल टू 1 by R. So the conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. We can write Ohm's law in terms of conductance. R is V by I. So we can write 1 by R, that is equal to I by V, or G is equal to I by V, or I equal to GV. I that is equal to GV. So this is also Ohm's law. We also know that R is equal to rho L by A. So this implies 1 by R, that is equal to A by rho L. So G that is equal to 1 by rho into A by L. 1 by rho that is sigma A by L. So here 1 by rho is sigma, or we can write sigma is equal to 1 by rho. Sigma is called conductivity. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. The SI unit of conductance is Siemens. Siemens होची जर्मन ब्रिटिश इन्वेंटर सर विलियम सीमेंस को ना अनुसार यूनिट टा। द यूनिट symbol for Siemens is that is S. 1 Siemens that is equal to 1 by ohm. 1 by ohm, that is 1 by omega. This is omega inverse. Because G equal to 1 by R, unit of resistance is ohm. So unit of G is 1 by ohm, that is equal to ohm inverse. So 1 ohm inverse that is equal to 1 ampere per volt. Ohm inverse that can be also written as mho, mho mho. এটা উল্টে লিখি হবো mho mho. Ohm inverse. So this is the Siemens. That is Siemens unit of conductance. The SI unit of conductivity is that is 1 by ohm meter. Ohm meter is the unit of resistivity. So it is reciprocal, that is 1 by ohm meter. So this can written as 1 by ohm inverse meter inverse. In symbol this is ohm inverse meter inverse, or we can write mho per meter. meter. So these are SI unit of conductivity. So this is about conductance and conductivity. Thank you.